If you're a welding coordinator, one of your tasks is finding your company's qualified documents for projects. And it could take up to 3 days to find all the relevant PQRs, WPSs, or welder qualifications. WeldCloud Notes has the Q-Matrix feature, which will make this a very simple and quick process. First, select all the pipes and/or plates that match your project requirements. Then, click on the PQR Matrix tab and introduce all the parameters that are relevant for your project. In here, I have selected ASME Section 9 and P number 8 Group 1, which is for austenitic stainless steels. Click on the Preview button and Notes will generate a table which tells you all the PQRs you have qualified for this project, and you'll know what you don't have as well, so you can take action and move to qualifying new documents. In the Certificates tab, you'll have the same option for welders, and you can do the same in the WPS tab. If you'd like to try this out, just start your free trial on our website to get started in minutes.